Saturday, 4:41 in the morning, and I'm on my way to work. I have a easy day, only 4 hours. So I try usually on these days, I try to do the most that I can before I leave work. And since yesterday, I went to Flower World to get some flowers, but I didn't get everything that I need. So I will see if I can get today the rest of the flowers that I wanted to buy. And the good thing is, like, I got practically, I did all my laundry, I ironed all my stuff. So today I can concentrate my energy on doing gardening. And we will see. Let's see what happens in the day. Yeah, I just came from the Fred Meyer's, and I got some of the flowers that couldn't find. And we went to Flower World, so that's what I did after work. And now I'm going home, but it's very cloudy, so I don't think I will be doing gardening. Time for a nice tea, a cup of tea. Favorite one. I have my tea. I think I will be working on, I'm charging my book. I finished my book and I'm trying to get another one going, but I need to charge, and now I need to edit one blog that is for Monday. Try to open the door for you. Looking for food.